Hello and welcome to day 79 of Bedtime Welsh. Yeah, we've got the sofa the wrong way around at the moment. Why are you over there? What are you doing there? Why are you not there? Oh, it's all very confusing here today. So we'll try and make the Welsh confusing for you as well then. So, do you remember that you? You probably don't. It's been a bit of a while. It's bod tea. So see if you can make up for me that you want to see.
Bod ti isio gweld.
Bod ti isio gweld. Okay, how about have heard that you want to see?
Wedi clywed bo chdi isio gweld.
Wedi clywed bo ti isio gweld. You heard Angharad say bo chdi. You can say that if you want to. Or you can stay with me, bo ti. Wedi clywed bo ti isio gweld. Okay, how about I have heard that you want to see?
Dwi wedi clywed bo ti isio gweld.
Dwi wedi clywed bo ti isio gweld. That's a fairly big one. If you got that right, you're doing fantastically well. Any bits of it, really. So now, how about that you want to see who is? Can you remember that little bit? That you want to see who is.
Bo ti isio gweld pwy sydd.
Bo ti isio gweld pwy sydd. Da iawn. Okay, last one for today. How about that you want to see who is in the garden?
Bo ti isio gweld pwy sydd yn y gardd.
Yn yr ardd.
Yn yr ardd.
Bo ti isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. Maybe you want to do this one more than once. Have a couple of runs at it. If you do, that's fine. But if you've got any of those coming out, you're doing really well. So don't worry about getting them right. Don't worry about perfection. You're just trying to say whatever you can think of to say. Okay, so that last one was bo ti isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. And we'll see you maybe with the sofa back in the right place tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!